Hey, I'm Danielle Carolan. I'm a lifestyle content creator and podcast host. Welcome to my home in Greenwich Village. I am so proud of my apartment. It's my pride and joy. I love interior design and I'm so excited to show you guys around. Let's go. I think it's super important for an apartment to tell a story, and I think these shelves, as soon as you walk in, really give you a background as to who I am and what I love to do. I didn't think I'd be able to decorate them all. However, I think we're doing okay. I have slowly collected matchboxes from restaurants, bars, places I've traveled, and I always collected them in a vase. So now I can see them all, I can come home after a night out with friends, put a new matchbox in, and head on my way. And over there is our Gals on the Go poster that we just came out with that I absolutely love because it's matchboxes, but on the matchboxes are funny sayings and inside jokes that we have on the podcast. So it makes me smile every time I look at it. And over here is my license plate from my first car ever. We sold it. I was so sad. My dad felt terrible, so he went and got the license plate and he sent it up here for me to have on my shelf to remember forever. Right here is this little bench moment where you can take off your shoes and you can check yourself out in the mirror before you come hang out with me. My goal here was for my apartment to exude luxury. I was very inspired by the One Hotel, and you can see that aesthetic as soon as you walk into my living room, AKA my sanctuary. The key here was for it to be relaxing, but also a fun place for me to watch football with my friends. Like the One Hotel, when you first walk in the lobby, there are white couches everywhere, so I obviously had to replicate that, and I know it's a little scary to have a white couch. We've only had a few spills. I added a little pop of color with that Birds of Paradise plant. It's faux though, because I cannot take care of plants for the life of me. I wanted this apartment to have some oak accents, so that's what this coffee table here does. And on top, I added these moss balls to give some life, and they're so fun because they're textured, so they feel really good in your hands, and my friends love to play with them. And right over here is my infamous outfit of the day mirror. It's really important to me, and I know you guys have all seen it on my Instagram already. I love the ornate detailing, and it really opens up the space. In New York, everything in your apartment needs to be multi-purpose, so right over here is this beautiful round table that is my office, my dining table, my charcuterie board. It's very important. Even though none of the pieces are custom made, it's all about curation and how you put it all together. Welcome to my dream closet. I have always wanted a walk-in closet. I was very inspired by Hannah Montana, my favorite TV show growing up. Though mine doesn't revolve, it still gives me everything I wanted and more. The shelving was a continuation of the entry, which is awesome, so I put my bags and shoes on there. But over here, I added this vanity, which is perfect. I feel like I'm in a dressing room backstage. I get ready here every single morning before the day, and I also store all of my products right in this piece of furniture. And behind me, I put up these clothing racks and hung up my clothes in a color coordinated way, which really brings out the triple Virgo in me. So now that you've seen where I get ready, let me show you where I unwind. Here's my bedroom, and again with that hotel vibe was very important to me, so I chose this simple, modern, low to the ground bed and added all of these plush pillows. I hung this above my bed to break up the white walls and also add some texture. I don't do sweaters in the oven like Carrie Bradshaw, but I do put my clothes in my nightstands because I'm always looking for extra storage. During the day, I love bringing out these sheer curtains because it gives this ethereal touch and lets just the right amount of natural light in. And right over here, finally, is my dresser where on top I keep all of my everyday jewelry, so I add those final touches like my earrings, my rings, and head out the door. So that's all for now. Thanks for visiting Hotel Danielle. I love showing you how this gal on the go makes New York City feel like the most relaxing place on earth.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.